Transducer electric screwdriver adopted brushless motor for clean, quiet, and accurate operation, and it barely needs maintenance. The durable mechanical design allows MyTORQ brushless transducer electric screwdriver to perform 2 million tightenings. The rubberized grip and ergonomic design comfort users from long-time operation. There are 3 options of LED illumination and 4 optional style types, which can be set based on users' preference. And here are the features of MyTORQ controller. The controller can use up to 50 jobs, 50 sequences, 99 tightening programs, and 250 rundown steps. High flexibility to quick switch between jobs and sequences. It can detect costly tightening errors such as stripped screw, elevated screw, and missing screws, etc. Each MyTORQ will come with a free user-friendly programming software and data acquisition system. Real-time data reporting can be done via RS-232 Ethernet Wi-Fi, or data can be stored in SD card. Lastly, we have a screwdriving video to show you the actual application.